What's up this morning, folks? Just another video for ride along from last Saturday. Today's Monday, so it's a couple days ago. Anyway, enjoy. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. I'm heading down to get something to drink. It's about 10 minutes of 12 on Saturday. It turned off a little cooler today. It's about 40 degrees right now. Gonna get up to the mid 40s, then back up into the 60s and 70s again for a few days. It's hovering. It's been 70 the last 3 days in a row. That's pretty good. But I got a premiere at 2 o'clock, so I gotta go get something to drink. Get a 18 pack or 20, whatever they are. 18s, 24s, I don't know. Maybe it's a 12 pack. It might be a 12 pack. Maybe I'll get 2, that way I won't have to go every 5 or 6 days. Get me some ginger ale. Get some snacks. I got regular food, plenty of that. Probably gonna cook some spare ribs tonight. Baby back ribs, I love those things. Takes a couple hours to cook them in the oven. Too cold to barbecue for me. But anyway, week's been going okay. Getting used to Rico not being around underfoot anymore. He's always under my feet. Always. I was always tripping over him. He was a pain in the ass. Funny thing about that dog, he's pretty special because he's the only dog I ever had that wouldn't take to me. It took him a whole year to take to me. I mean, living would be 24 hours a day. It took him a whole year before he'd even come in my direction. He just wasn't a friendly dog at all. He'd had a hard life somewhere in the past. But after that first year, I'd get him to do tricks. He'd roll over for me if he wanted a snack or something. He'd do all kinds of things. He's pretty special. And then I couldn't get him away from me. He had to be right on me all the time after that. And it took a whole year to get him to trust me. I've never had that happen before. So he was pretty special. Well, Fred, he loves everybody. He loves people he's never met before. And if he sees you walking down the street, he's your best friend. He's gonna go get you. He's gonna chase you around and want to play with you. So he's just the opposite. And those two didn't get along that great. I mean, they'd sleep right side by side, but if they were awake, they were at each other all the time, pecking at each other. And I think Fred actually ended up playing with Fred maybe 3 times over about 7 or 8 years. It was funny. He just pretty much ignored each other most of the time. And they were jealous of each other. Fred always wanted to be beside me, and then Rico always wanted to be right beside me, so they'd take turns. It was kind of funny. But anyway, he got sick about a year ago, started going blind about 6 months ago, and completely blind a couple months ago. He was almost, so he couldn't get around. I had to pick him up and put him down off the couch if he wanted to come up or get down. He was still going outside using the bathroom, and he was still doing that. It took him a while. Yeah, he was in pretty rough shape. I gave him some stuff for his joints and stuff, and he was pretty comfortable. But anyway, he went to sleep, so he wasn't in a great amount of pain for any length of time, so that's one good thing. Anyway, I'm at the dollar store, so I'm gonna go in and get me something to drink. I'm not too busy today, a little busy. Get some snacks, something to drink, do my premiere at 2 o'clock. I'm still considering doing lives, I don't know. I just really never know when I'm going to be awake enough to want to bother with them. But anyway. Guy doing parked there halfway in the middle of the freaking road. Anyway, I'll be back. Well, then that was that. Didn't have any ginger ale, so I just got Coke. I'll live it up once in a while. Have something with caffeine in it. What the hell? Got some ring dings though. Couple candy bars. Some Nico wafers. I got 2 packages of Nico wafers. I love them things. They're good. They're not even fattening. That's about all I got, I think. I didn't really need much. Oh yeah, I got 4 cans of spaghetti and meatball, Chef Boyardee. I love that stuff. I don't know why. I eat it to snack on once in a while. And they'll last me a couple weeks, 3 weeks maybe. I don't eat that much of that stuff. Every once in a while I just get a hankering to have some. Now I got some just in case. I think I'm gonna fast today. I'm not gonna eat today. Just gonna drink water and have a Coke, maybe 2. Try to pass on the food. I've actually gained a couple pounds since I retired. I don't like it. I'm not used to having weight on me. I've weighed the same since I was 17 years old up until recently. Just within the last year or so. I probably gained 10 pounds over the last year. And it's not comfortable on me. Oh, fucking bumpy road, god damn it. Anyway, those are my weight problems. 10 pounds overweight. Actually, I think it's 11 pounds over. That's alright. I can get rid of that. Take a few days. I'll work it off. All I had yesterday was 2 eggs and a couple pieces of bacon. That's all I ate yesterday. Today I got a little bit of leftover lasagna. I'll heat that up a little later on, maybe eat that. I should be able to get rid of that extra weight there in a few days or a week or something. I don't know, I heard it takes longer to get rid of it than it does to get it. I'll probably keep it for a year before I get rid of it. Who knows? Anyway, not a big deal. Anyway, go home, pay some attention to Fred before the premiere starts. As soon as I get off the couch and go deal with the premiere, he'll go jump on the other couch and get all sad looking and shit over there. It's funny. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.